everybody, and welcome back to Tweet Dominator 5.0. In this video I'm going to cover the full scrape the module. Okay, so that feature I'm going to cover it here. It's going to be a little long video, but you're going to enjoy it watching this because it's a step-by-step detailed guide to how you need to do the full scrape module. Okay, so this is the accounts page, and I'm just going to go to the scraper. Okay, so I'm just going to show you this interface so that you get a bit comfortable with this particular interface, right? So you have the inputs wherein you have scrape by username, scrape by keyword, convert username to user ID. You also have the scrape followers or following by using the username. And again, you have a few filters. And then once you do that, you have the scrape by keyword option. You can also convert username to user ID, and finally you have the submit action, which is pretty common in all the features. Okay, so I'm going to just show you how you need to scrape by username, scrape by keyword, and convert username to user ID. First, scrape by username. You need to enter a username. If you have a username, just save it in a notepad file. Okay, so this is the one I'm following right now. So this is the username, just copy it and paste it here. So once you do that, load that notepad file, and you can just set the followers, following, or number of users to be scraped. You can set it to 20. So you can also filter the users that have not tweeted in the last few days. You can start the process. Before starting the process, you can just see that the accounts has been logged in or not. Okay, so once you are logged in with a particular thing, you can see that the process we completed, and the data is also exported. For that, I'm just going to show you the process going on here. Okay, so process completed. So once it's done, I'm going to just show you. Okay. So this is a folder. So this is the scrape follower list that I have, scrape following list that I have. I'm just gonna open this Excel file, and you can see here the ID, the name, the followers, username is here. Okay. So once you do that, what you can do is just move on to the next one. I'm just gonna not gonna save it because So this scraped the following list that I was just talking about, right? And this is the name, the ID, the following username. Okay, so this is the scraped following list that I have. And again, as I said, this process is really simple. You just need to checkbox the particular first you need to give the usernames, of course, and then you need to checkbox. Okay, so what you can do here is pretty much simple. I'm going to just move on to scrape by keywords. I'm going to checkbox scrape by keywords, but I need to enter a keyword, for which I'm just gonna go to Twitter and set models. Okay, so more options. I can checkbox the accounts, right? So these are all the pages with models. Let me just browse for particular keywords, so you can pre-save the keywords in a notepad file. And so here you have options. You can search by people. Okay, you can just scrape this data, right? You can scrape this data while searching by people, and you can set the number of users to be scraped. I'm going to set it to 20 here, and I'm going to start the process. Once I start the process, you can see the process, scraping process started here. It's highlighted here, mouse pointer, and whoa, that's fast. It's really, really fast. So data is retrieved really fast, and the process is completed. Once the process is complete, I'm just going to show you the Excel file where the data, the scrape data, has been exported. So user scrape data by keyword, that's the file name. You're going to get it like that, and you can see here the user ID, the username of the individuals. Okay, so again, you can use this data for your own requirement. That's pretty much how useful it is. scrape more data too. Okay, so just I'm not going to save it. Prompts me to save it. I'm not going to save it because I made some changes. So this is a user scrape by data, keyword data. The keyword that we gave was model, so this is the user data that you've got. Okay, so I'm going to show you the convert username to user ID. It's an important feature. So just checkbox it, and you just need to load the usernames for that and use it. Browse. Okay, I'm going to just use the same with the Fashionista one. Okay, for that, username I need to select. So I'm just going to go to the notepad file where the data of usernames has been scraped and select that particular username. Okay, I'm just gonna copy that username, the eOnline. Okay, I'm gonna just save that, and I'm gonna select this particular notepad file because that is this username that I want to convert to the user ID. We'll start the process, and this is the user ID, the 2AA3841. So in a second there, you're gonna see the username converted to user ID 2AA41. So the process completed. It's completely done. I'm just going to show you proof that the process is successfully done and executed. Right, so I'm just going to go to the particular file, the folder where I have the file. Okay, so this is folder. Right, so this is the one. Okay, so there you go. So you wanted the username to be converted to the user ID, so eOnline converted to its ID. So I'm really excited because this is awesome. Right, 2AA3841 is the user ID that I showed you. That's what it is. So pretty much that's how you need to convert the username to user ID. So I'm just gonna go to Twitter once. Okay, and this is the page I'm gonna show you. Right, I'm just gonna go to eOnline, the one that I converted. Right, so this is the eOnline page, and this is the sports page again. So you can see here, I'm just gonna enter the user ID that I have. Okay, once you paste the user ID, you're gonna just get this page again. So that's how simple it is to do the process. Just need to follow the steps through this video and just need to follow the process. So you can do it real simple. It's not difficult at all. So I hope you liked watching this video, and I hope if you have any doubts, I hope that you will just comment on this page. So thanks a lot for watching the video, guys, and see you soon on this channel. Take care.